Okay guys, it's time for a new update video here on the Bitcoin price because we just saw a breakout here out of our falling broadening wedge. Yes guys, you heard me correctly, we finally broke out, but before you now jump into massive FOMO, maybe open new long trades, keep in mind guys, we already saw 2 times that a 4-hourly candle actually finally broke out of this falling broadening wedge, but each time around 15 minutes before the 4-hourly candle closed, we got sold off again and the bears managed to close the 4-hourly candle each time far away from our actual resistance here of this falling broadening wedge, which needs to be broken to the upside, that we even have a chance of reaching the most important resistance level at the moment that we need to break to the upside before we can even think about a new all-time high. And I will tell you exactly what I'm expecting now from this 4-hourly candle, what I'm expecting within the next couple of hours, days and weeks from the Bitcoin price, so you guys also know what I'm going to do with my multi-million dollars worth of Bitcoin long positions, because I'm about to take massive changes on them as soon as we close this 4-hourly candle here actually. So now, let's not talk too much, let's just jump right into the charts. By the way guys, Vlaunch, we are going to launch soon. So guys, please make sure to follow the Twitter at the very top of my video description. It's the most active and fastest growing crypto community that there has ever been in the complete crypto space. The engagement is insane. Look, if we do an announcement, Chris from Crypto, 1 hour ago, boom, 3,000 likes, 2,100 retweets. It is unseen, it's insane. And we are giving out a huge amount of tokens completely for free just for the community, and all you have to do is follow the Twitter, activate the bell, be active in the Telegram groups, and then you won't miss it. So guys, make sure you follow it. It's only days away from actually happening now, so make sure to follow the Twitter, make sure to join the Telegram groups so you don't miss this. But now, let's not talk too much, let's just jump right into the chart. As always guys, don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell, leave a thumbs up. Let's reach 1,500, maybe even 2,000 likes here on today's video. And now let's talk about the chart. So first of all, like I already mentioned now in the beginning of the video, I mean the possibilities of us getting sold off here once again with a 4-hourly candle is fairly high. But now let's just imagine that we will actually be able to hold this 4-hourly candle above the falling broadening wedge and we actually manage to break here to the upside. This would not be confirmed yet because we would actually need to wait till Bitcoin dumps down again and actually retests this past resistance as support. As soon as this happened also, we cannot be sure that we are not bouncing off it for a while and then just breaking in it again. So we actually need to wait for the retest, and then we need to wait till the old high at exactly, boom, at exactly $59,200 is broken. It's pretty much exactly at the $59,200 level. So as long as Bitcoin now closes this 4-hourly candle above the falling broadening wedge, I mean, if we get sold off back inside again, I mean, it's very clear that we just need to wait till this now happens, what I'm describing. But we have another chance, it could happen now. So what we would need to wait for is, first of all, the retest and also the breaking of the old high point, so the $59,200 level. As soon as both is achieved, yeah, then I will actually scale up my long positions once again a little bit. But till then, I won't actually jump into any new long trades or scale my actual trades up right now. Because also in this scenario, I will only scale them up by a little bit, because we still have to wait for the Bitcoin price on the bigger time frames to, first of all, not only confirm its breakout here on the daily time frame out of this falling wedge. This is happening right now, so it's looking very good. But what I want to see is actually a break of our 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. Because in the past, a Bitcoin correction in a bull market, when it was not over yet, the bulls had a dead cat bounce at the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. Most of the time, the bulls in a bull market with massive corrections, if the correction is not over yet, the bulls don't even manage to break the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement to the upside. Then we still have 2 resistance levels above us here, very important ones to determine if the correction is over or not, but they are not as important as the 0.5 itself, because this is pretty much, if we get rejected here, it's like, okay, correction is not over 99% of the times or something like that. I mean, it's a little bit lower, like 90% of the times, but still it's a very high probability of the correction not having reached its low point when we get rejected from the 0.5. So if we break it to the upside, this would actually put our probability suddenly higher that the correction is over than that it will go down more as soon as we break the 0.5 Fibonacci Fibonacci retracement level to the upside. And then with each, with the 0.618 and the 0.786, the potential of the correction actually being over just increases then dramatically to the upside, where it is then above the 0.786, almost at 100% that the correction is over. So let's keep an eye on that. Let's keep an eye on the $61,200 level. Interestingly enough, if we break out here out of this falling broadening wedge, I mean, we can take a price target here real quick. Let me take a look where the price would actually pump, and it would pump, boom, up to $63,000. And that's why this falling broadening wedge is actually the starting point of the correction, or could be, because this chart pattern, when we break it now finally to the upside, is actually a pattern with a price target which puts suddenly out of a bearish correction a bullish price target on the Bitcoin price of above the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, which will be very important in finding out if the correction is over. For example, look just at this here, for example. There we also used the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level to find out if the correction is over. Do you remember I made a tweet on my Twitter account, said, are we going to break the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, yes or no? The community voted correctly for no, and I also, before I made this small question here on on my Twitter account, before I actually made this question. I mean, maybe I can scroll down to my Twitter real quick. Let me see if I can find this question when I posted it actually. Here, it was exactly here. Breaks the 0.5, blah, blah, blah. I am turning bullish again. Will it break? Retweet, yes. Like, no. Boom. 170 likes, 200 retweets. So the community already knew that it won't break to the upside. And I also mentioned to you guys that I only turn bullish if we break it. Otherwise, I will stay bearish, and I think that we will correct more to the downside. Boom. And it's exactly the same now, but not with the 4-hourly time frame, but with the daily time frame. It's the exact same thing. We need to break the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level here now on the big scale to the upside before we can turn bullish again. Or be more bullish than bearish, at least, right? So yeah, keep this in mind, guys. Keep an eye on that. Make sure to follow the Twitter Vlaunch now so you don't miss out on any of the crazy news that are going to be posted in the next couple of days. And like I said, the free IDO allocation will also happen very soon. So I want to make sure that you don't miss out a free IDO allocation in the most hyped project in the crypto space that there has ever been. So guys, follow the Twitter, link in description. Till then, bye.